Welcome to our channel. If you want to download meal prep recipes for weekly planning and cooking in bulk, follow these step-by-step instructions to save and organize your favorite recipes. Step 1. Choose your source for meal prep recipes. Popular options include meal prep apps, food blogs, YouTube channels, or meal kit services like HelloFresh and EveryPlate. Step 2. If using an app or subscription service, sign into your account and navigate to the recipe section or meal library to browse available meal prep recipes. Step 3. Select a recipe you want to download. Look for recipes specifically tagged as meal prep, batch cooking, or make-ahead meals for the best results. Step 4. Check if the app or website offers a built-in download or save feature. Many platforms have a save recipe, download PDF, or add to collection button. Step 5. If there's no download option, use your browser's print function to save the recipe as a PDF. Press Ctrl-P or Command-P, select Save as PDF, and choose where to save it. Step 6. For video recipes from YouTube or social media, take screenshots of ingredient lists and instructions, or save the video link to a note-taking app for easy reference. Step 7. Organize your downloaded recipes in folders on your computer or phone by category, such as chicken meal prep, vegetarian recipes, or low-carb options. This makes it easy to find and follow your favorite meal prep recipes when you're ready to cook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.